He's not asleep.
The
walrus.
The walrus is not. Next page. Okay.
He sees a fountain.
Well, who's up there?
The zookeeper.
What does he say? Why does he say that?
Because the walrus heard him.
Okay, you work off the book.
He's pretending to be a statue. And there he is with a hat.
What's he doing in there?
I don't know. He's having to sit down at the stool.
What's he dressed up like?
Like a fountain.
Like a fountain?
Yeah. Like a red hat.
Yeah.
And he's building a wall.
Where is he? Show me on the book. Can you read me what's happening? I gotta explain everything that's going on. I'm kind of lost here.
And he's helping the fireman shoot the water.
At what?
At the wall.
Yeah, it's true. The fire is off screen.
He's kicking his heels.
Who are those ladies?
I don't know.
Look at their feathers.
Chickens.
They look like chickens? They do kind of.
Princesses.
Could be. Okay, now what's going on here?
He's painting his shirt with a mustache.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Who else do you see in this picture? Where's the zookeeper? Oh, there he is. Okay. Oh, man.
Where's the zookeeper?
What's going on here? What did he do off that diving board?
Loop. Splash into the swimming pool.
Whoa! What happens? Looks like the crowd's going wild here.
Yeah.
Yeah. The zookeeper looks kind of... What happened? Does he look... What's he feeling right there?
Oh, no.
Kind of surprised. Oh, man.
And he got the gold medal.
Yeah.
I want that after I wake up in the morning.
A gold medal?
Yeah.
Now what happens? How does this book end?
And everybody's awake.
Yeah. Everybody's awake.
What is that called?
What do you think it is?
A congress.
Peacock.
A peacock.
Yeah.
Let's start all over.